connection between you and the individual that found value in the products and services that you offer. Now, this first formula we're going to look at is one that's been used by sales professionals over the last 20 years. And I personally have used this process and I've made quite a bit of money. And I didn't realize what I had in my hands. And I've seen it help young people and older people alike make a serious amount of money in a short amount of time. Now, the next thing that's connected to transactional thinking is this right here, the 6/7 figure income secret. And I'm gonna grab my phone, guys, and we're back. And we're gonna do some math, right? And I know you might want to hang up, cut this off, switch the channel, throw your TV out the window, throw your phone across the car, whatever. Hit your child with it. But guys, check this out. This secret is one that banks use. This secret is what your 6-figure, 7-figure business owners use to generate income. Now, you see that formula right there, guys? That formula, T times P equals $, is based in algebra. It's based in calculus. Math is a very essential part of business building, and when you have the concepts and the ideas, you are more prepared. But we're going to look at a number, and I want to show you the power of transactional thinking. Let's take that number, 14,285. 14,285 transactions over the course of a year, right? At a profit margin times a profit margin of $35. And profit margins is the money that goes into your pocket after all bills are paid. So if you got your calculator, or if you're old school and you got a pen and piece of paper, or a pencil and piece of paper, go ahead and add that number up and type in the comment section what it is that you see. And that number that I got was $499,975. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the foundational formula for 6 figures. Isn't that amazing? I feel like that is phenomenal. Now, you might say, Lawrence, I don't see myself making that much money in a year. That's great. You might need an extra $500. You might need an extra $1,000. You might need an extra $2,000 just to get into a place where you are comfortable. This very formula can help you do that. What I want you to do is I want you to see the potential, because what I'm doing is setting you up to understand exponential growth. Now, let's remove that 35. Let's change that 14,285 to 14,286.